What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching ShoeDIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Onitsuka Tigers. In this video I'm going to show you how you can loosely lace your Onitsuka Tigers. Now with this shoe you do get a generous length of lace, but when we get up to the top here I'm going to show you a way of finishing off so that you too can enjoy this lace style. So let's get into it. We're going to place this one there, so we're going to see what we're going to be aiming towards, and we're going to be lacing up the right shoe. Now to start with, I have put a sock inside the toe cap to kind of bulk it out a little bit, and I will be putting some socks inside as well to widen out the shoe. But to begin with, to work in this area here so it doesn't get too tight for the laces to go in, I'm going to be taking the lace down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. Just draw your laces a little way up into the shoe and then pass it between your finger to flatten out the lace a little bit more. And then we're going to bring it down through that first hole on the inside of the shoe. Again, just pull it up a little way, and then to make sure that your laces are the same length on both sides, ends together and pull up, just like that. Now if you do get a twist in your front lace, just make sure that you're pulling it out on the one side and pulling it back down in that side so you don't affect the length of the laces. And I'm just going to loosen it off a little bit as well so we can set the start of this great loose lace look. So now that I've got that bit done, I'm going to put in some socks, push them down right inside the shoe, and then you'll be able to get those nice wide loose laces. So we're going to take the outside lace first and down through the opposite second hole, just checking that that's come under there nice and flat. It does make the shoes look so much better when you've got flat laces. And then we're going to tuck it down into that second hole on the inside. And we're going to take the inside lace, bring it across and flattening out the laces all the time as well. And then we're going to bring it down through that second hole on the outside. And also if you catch the lace on your finger, you can get rid of any twists that might come up. I'm just going to pull that one a little bit, and you can see I'm leaving them quite nice and relaxed. Then we're going to take the outside lace, bring it across to that third hole on the inside. Then the inside lace is going to come across, third hole on the outside. And you can see it's twisted there, so all I need to do is just turn it over. Then keep that lace in your hand, bring it down through that fourth hole on the inside. And then the inside lace comes across to the next hole on the outside. And then we're getting quite close to the hoop on the tongue. So you can use the hoop on the tongue if you want to, but the great thing about the Tigers is that that tongue there in the middle, that tongue just doesn't move. It stays exactly where it should be. They're so well made. So I'm going to actually not use that. I'm going to go past it because I like that uninterrupted look. But if you wanted to use it, then now's the time to put your lace through. So we're going to take the outside lace across to the next hole on the inside. And then the inside lace comes across to the next hole on the outside. And keep that lace in your hand, come across to the inside. And the inside lace comes across to the outside. And then before I come up to the top, I'm just going to check that all my laces are overlapping. I'm going to push that sock down a little bit more to raise up the tongue so I can finish this. Finish the style, and then we're going to take the outside lace and we're going to come down again through that last hole on the inside of the shoe. And then we're going to take the inside lace, bring it across and down through that opposite last hole. And then you've got too much lace there to give a typical loose lace look by just bringing it through those last two holes. So what we're going to do is going to take the outside lace and we're going to bring it across, and this time we're going to go out through that top hole there. So to get it round the back of the hole there, you're going to take the two pieces of lace you've got in your finger and you're just going to pull them over so that this lace can go down through the side of the hole. Now the holes on the Tigers are really generous as well, so it's quite easy to take that lace through. Just going to make sure it comes out untwisted. And then that little bit of lace you've got there, just pull it down like that. And it gives you a loop which will eventually go behind the tongue. So before we do that, we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to take it out through the opposite hole again. So grab those 2 pieces of lace and pull them over so that you can get the lace out through the side of the hole like that. And then we're just going to smarten that one up, just bring it down a little bit, just hold on to that one and bring that down into the hole so all your laces look the same. And then just check that those are sticking out the same amount. So I'm just going to pull this one in a little bit. And then you're going to take those 2 loops and you're going to take them behind the tongue. Now the laces are so soft, they'll be easy to wear between your foot and the inside the tongue, like that. So as you can see, it doesn't matter how long those loops that go under there get, you still get that great loose lace look. And also by taking your lace through that last hole twice, it's not going to pull out like most loosely laced styles do. It's just going to stay exactly where you put them. So there you've got your loose lace Onitsuka Tigers, and now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your Onitsuka Tigers loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.